For those of you who have seen my youth videos before, I'll put the link above if you have not. I did get the 2 Shaklee wands, and that's what this video is all about, introduction into them, and we'll go into more details later. However, I wanted to give them an honest review so you can see along with me. I have no idea what's going to happen. There's no filter. This is that weird bathroom light, and I'm going to do another video in daylight so you can see even better. So I have the facial wand, which can also be used on the neck, as well as the one for around the eyes. Brand new, never been opened before. I guess we will start with the eye one. And it has a button right here so you can press on it and get, I can hear it coming. So it must be right there at the tip. Yep, whoop, 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 serum. All right, so I'm gonna do the same as I would with my fingers. Go in the same direction. This is that very delicate skin underneath the eyes. And for those of you who are not aware, I am 46 years old. And this is me first thing in the morning. I haven't even done my hair. I slept on this braid and everything. So I guess I will go there. So we've got all the eye area. Tickles. Okay. And the roller ball is supposed to be a tool to help move the lymphatic system, reduce puffiness, improve muscle tone. Okay, so I'm gonna do the same thing I can hear. So I can hear, oh, that was like right away. Okay, do I feel it? I already feel something just with one. Usually when you get a new product, you have to really go at it. Okay, so in what direction would I normally be massaging my face? Go up like this. I don't think I have that much puffiness. Last year I did when I was not well. Get just a little bit more so I can feel that there's serum on there. There we go. But any area that I'm starting to see a little bit of trouble, then this is not going to replace fat, so don't expect it to be a filler. This is to reduce fine lines and wrinkles, work on puffiness, the lymphatic system circulation, and they said that it really does work on the horizontal lines as well as the 11s here. So we'll see. I did a program for a month, and you can guess at which program it was, that said it was facial yoga. I found it to be more facial massage. I learned some good massage techniques, but I did not find that it did much of anything for me. I think the people that are seeing the most results from that are the ones that are having a lot of puffiness, especially down here or under the eyes. They would see that because they're moving the lymph. I'm already used to moving my lymph, and my lymph is moving so much better anyway this year with the lemon ginger blast and everything I've done. I need to share more about that too. That's so exciting. Okay, so neck area. Usually we want to pull upwards on the neck. For the skin, for the lymph, we would go down. So it depends on what you're working on. But I'm just going to get like an even application here. Now, they said that there's results within 15 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and pause the video and we're going to see if there are. My conclusion is the bathroom light is probably not the ideal light to be doing a test like this in. So I'm looking forward to doing this again in daylight, and I have a spot by my vanity that I'm going to do that next time. So we'll see. I can't really tell. Maybe some of you can from before or after. No.